Hey! So, I'm Sarah, and if you haven't ever watched one of my videos before, one of the things I do kind of a lot of, and it wasn't really planned for my channel. I originally thought I was just going to review a bunch of stuff, but one of the things I tend to do a lot of is like unboxings, usually for my monthly subscription boxes. So while I'm opening up this, which is going to be an unboxing and then kind of review of the Charmed Aroma candles. These things have been going around on Facebook. I'm pulling out my phone right now so that I can tell you exactly when I ordered this, because this shipping was really fast. I don't know exactly, this is terrible, I don't know where it was coming from. So let me just pull this up. There we go. So I ordered this. So that's my shipping confirmation. There. I ordered on the 2nd. It is today currently, I don't know. Today is currently the 10th. My order was processed on the 5th and shipped out, and nope, that's not what I want to do. I don't want to look at that. I want to see my tracking information. Status of my shipment. Whew. It is also very late at night here. Oh, scheduled maintenance. I can't tell you where it came from, but I can tell you that it arrived actually yesterday, but I just didn't get the mail. So, I have not been posting very often, really for the last few weeks. I've been really bad again. I have a bunch of things that I just need to, well, really I just need to do the info box up. I've uploaded them. They don't have fancy thumbnails. They're probably not going to. I'm going to be really honest with you. But yeah. So I ordered a candle in Berry Kisses. So it just came in a box. It seems well packaged. It is all bubble wrapped. So you can see here, it's really well packaged, I think anyway. First thing I see is a card. So, win a free, there we go. Win a free sterling silver ring. Enter by taking a video or photo of your Charmed Aroma ring reveal. Tag Charmed Aroma on Facebook or Instagram for that picture, and every week a winner will be chosen. Interesting. And so the card has examples of a bunch of the rings that they've done. So basically what this is that inside of these candles there is a little packet containing a ring with a value of between $10,000 and $5,000. And they remind me a lot of the friendship candles they had years ago. Look at this. This is a lot of bubble wrap. That's very generous. There we go. Berry Kisses. And it's just a 2-wick candle. Ooh. It's nice because it smells just like, it's fruity, but it's like more like a sour fruit sort of scent. It's only 2-wick. It's around the size of the Bath & Body Works 3-wick candles, maybe a little bit smaller. This is a soy wax. Most people aren't getting them because of the candles themselves. They're getting them because of the chance of the fancy ring. So considering at least $10 of the value of this candle is the ring. I kind of understand that. And I should be able to tell you how much I paid for this, because really I think that's important to be honest about. I did pay for this. Nobody sent this to me. Not that I'm fancy enough for that, but that was my Charmed Aroma order. I would be... Oh, that's right. I said in a second. There we go. Are you going to tell me how much I paid? There we go. Yeah, it was ridiculous. It was $26.99. And then the shipping was $8.95. So yeah, I paid $40 for this candle. So my plan on evaluating this is, so far the scent is really nice. The scent is really nice. But what I will say is that that's not what's causing that. It was really weird. When I opened it up, it smelled like the inside of the box smelled really floral, so I was a little worried. But it does, so far, it just smells like really nice fruit. So what I'm going to do is I should also point out, I can't immediately see, looking at this, where the ring might be, but somewhere in here is a little foil wrapped baggie with a ring inside. So what I'm going to do is I am going to burn this as properly as I can without messing with it. Because I mean, like, it looks like a lot of people are like just burning it for as little amount of time as possible, seeing the ring and then immediately digging it out. I spent a lot of money on this candle. I'm hoping that it also has a really good burn time. Ooh, okay, burn candle within sight. Never burn, blah, blah, blah. Always leave 6 inches between burning candles. Oh, okay. Yeah, don't put a bunch of candles right next to each other. Who wouldn't know? Don't set your pets on fire. Trim wicks to 1/4 inch before each relighting. Keep all objects out of the candle. Do not burn candle for more than 2 hours at a time. Allow it to cool before relighting. Keep out of drafts. Do not retrieve ring while candle is still burning. Please allow ring to cool off after removing from wax before it is tried on. Do not touch or remove candle while burning or while wax is hot. Burn on heat-resistant surface. Discontinue use when 3/4 inch of wax remains in container. What? I mean, I get what they're saying, but no, that's still a lot of candle left to burn. I honestly always burn them until they will not burn anymore. And then I attempt to retrieve the wax, saying to myself that I will melt it down and I will make a cool wax candle out of the, but I never do, and I really should. Anyway, yes, so that is the Charmed Aroma candle. I am going to burn this, probably not right now because my desk is a complete mess, and I will add more to this video, and so probably you're going to see a cut of me, I would assume, in the day at some point in time in the next week or so, probably not looking like a hot mess. Actually, wait, I don't want to, like, raise your expectations for nothing. assume I'm going to look like a hot mess.